Hi there, and welcome to the Adells channel. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video and subscribe. It really helps us keep creating helpful content just for you. Now, let's take a deep breath and exhale. This moment is for you. Today, I'll guide you step by step through using your pump, gently, comfortably, and without stress. Whether you're just starting or simply want a little extra clarity, you're in the right place. First, make sure you're in a quiet, cozy space. Sit back, relax your shoulders, and keep a glass of water nearby. Start by assembling each part of the pump. Everything should fit naturally into place. Take your time. There's no rush. Once you're ready, position the pump where it feels most comfortable. It should sit smoothly without any pressure or discomfort. Power on the pump using the main button. Begin with the lowest setting to allow your body to ease into the rhythm. You might feel a gentle tugging sensation. That's normal. Breathe deeply. Let your body guide the pace. If needed, adjust the settings slowly until you find what feels right. Throughout the session, stay relaxed. You can close your eyes, sip some water, or play soft music in the background. This is your moment of calm. When you're done, power off the pump and carefully disassemble each part for cleaning. Be gentle with yourself. You're doing something amazing. I'm doing this slowly, with no rush at all, letting each movement be soft and mindful as I gently drift through the happiest moments of my life. The laughter, the sunlight, the quiet smiles, letting that warmth fill this space as I care for myself. Now, watch as I carefully disassemble the pump. Every movement is gentle, deliberate, no rushing, no pressure. I hold each part with care, as if it were made of glass. Hold it softly, without squeezing. Let it rest in your hands like something precious. Before using, always make sure it's clean. Not just rinsed, but fully sterilized. Let it air dry naturally on a clean towel without touching the inside. Thank you for being here. If this brought you a moment of peace, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. You deserve it.